looks could kill. It looks good, it looks good. If looks could kill. It looks good, it looks good. If looks could kill. It'd be all such a thrill. If looks could kill. You'd be dead right now.
Hello, can you be my textmate? Yan yung text niya sa akin noon, way back 2005. Yung nagkakilala kami.
May sunburn pa nga ako.
Feels like I'm standing in a timeless stream of light mists, of pale amber rose.
Our relationship lasted for almost 8 years. And then after 8 years, nag-break kami for almost 10 years din. And ngayon, nagkabalikan kami and nandito na tayo ngayon.
Touching, discovering you.
We had our roller coasters of emotion at the time. Hanggang sa umabot tayo ng almost, we were there nung nawala si mama. And then we separated after that. After 10 years in the making. Eto uli tayo, 2023. Nagkakilala na. Push uli yung landas natin. Simula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw pa rin pala.
Sharing the heat of the afternoon. Out of the stillness, soft spoken words. Say it again. I love you always, forever, near and far, closer together, everywhere. I will be with you.
5. Do you find within you a special love from her that convinces you that you want to spend the rest of your lives together?
I do.
Buti na lang, di nagbago isip.
You've got the most unbelievable blue eyes I've ever seen. You've got me.
Individuality is not of unity. It is that which make union possible. Be enriched by your differences.
And the blue sky. Sweetness, imagine.
Love is not jealous or boastful. It is not arrogant or rude. Love is not insist or insult. It is not irritable or resentful. It does not rejoice wrong, but rejoices in
I will be with you, everything I will do for you. I love you, always, forever, near and far, closer together, everywhere. I will be with you, with you. Say you love me always, forever, never stop, never, whatever, near and far and always and everywhere and every. Say you love me always, forever, never stop, never, whatever, near and far and always and everywhere and everything.
Sharing everything, lalo na yung family ko, lahat ng tao, mahal ko, is sharing everyone with you. Yan lang. Yun. Ito na yun. Ito na yung, first and last. Ito na yung reality. Ang umpisa ng reality natin. I love you. I love you so much.
Hunger for your touch.
Ipinapangako ko na moving forward, hindi na lang ganito yung pasensya. Iintindihin ko hanggat kahit gaano ko pa kasungit, kahit gaano ka short-tempered,
Kahit gaano ka kapagod sa araw-araw, hindi rin ako mapapagod. Ako yung magiging support system mo. Number 1 support system. Yun lang. I love you, honey.
For